You can export your Istoriam timeline to an Adobe PDF format. You will typically use that method if you want to share your database with someone that is not using Istoriam or if you want to print your timeline. As Istoriam does not offer a direct mechanism to print a timeline, you can export the timeline to PDF and then print the PDF file. To export your timeline to PDF, follow these steps. Start by filtering the records that you want to share or export. Select Export from the Timeline menu option and then select the PDF format. Choose one of the two format options, single-page and multi-page formats. Specify the name and location of the file where the records will be exported. The timeline will then be exported into a standard PDF file. Note that the single-page format will export the timeline into one, possibly very large page. This format is appropriate if you want to view the whole timeline in a PDF viewer or if you own a special printer that can print on large paper format. On the other hand, the multi-page format will divide the timeline into separate standard size pages. This format is appropriate if you want to print the timeline on a standard printer with letter-sized papers. Note also that the PDF export feature will only export the visible part of the timeline, that is the part that is displayed in the main display window. Records that are filtered out will not be exported. More importantly, record contents such as description, locations, photos, etc. will also not be exported to PDF. Alternatively, you can use the Istoriam STL format import and export features to share your timeline with all its content with other Istoriam users.